Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer feedback with Typeform, full guide step by step clearly. To start automating customer feedback with Typeform, first, create an account on Typeform's website. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new project. Choose a template that best fits your feedback needs or start from scratch with a blank form. Add a title and a description to your form to clarify its purpose to respondents. Next, click on Add a question to include feedback questions relevant to your business. Typeform offers various question types such as multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended questions. Select the question type that best aligns with the type of feedback you want to collect. After adding your questions, customize the design of your form to match your brand's colors and aesthetics. Use the Settings tab to adjust notification preferences for when responses are submitted. Look for the Connect option in the dashboard to integrate your Typeform with other tools like Google Sheets or Zapier. This will allow collected feedback to be automatically logged in your preferred system for easy access. Define your automation workflow by setting up triggers in your integration tool to manage incoming data. Test your form before sharing it to ensure everything functions smoothly. Once you're satisfied, click on the Share option to obtain a link to your Typeform. Share this link via email, social media, or embed it on your website to reach your audience. Monitor feedback submissions through the Typeform dashboard for real-time insights. Analyze the collected data to improve your services or products based on customer input. Consider routinely updating your feedback form to capture current trends and insights from your customers. With these steps, you can effectively automate customer feedback using Typeform to enhance your decision-making process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel